Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and as you guys know, alright, NotebookLM, if you guys are using it right now and probably you're using it, that's why you're watching this video, alright, and you guys know NotebookLM is a really good note-taking tool, and a summarizer, and basically all the notes and every research paper, PDF, all these that you've taken, they will help you, with a lot of things, especially on studies, or especially on your assignments, or even, in work life where there's a lot of this kind of thing. NotebookLM is one of the things that you guys will use, alright, to make lives much simpler, alright. And a lot of time, if you guys want to export it, for maybe for presentations, or you want to show it to your bosses or colleagues, and you want to make it professional and nicer, or when you export it using NotebookLM, it will be in a PDF file basically, and there's no way you can edit that. So basically, if there's some errors in the NotebookLM itself, and you were to give it away, and it will cause like this kind of issues. So how you guys to do that? Well, it is with the help of this Tenorshare PDNob, and it's a very useful tool, especially to convert your NotebookLM PDF file into a scannable, into an editable PDF document that you guys can edit and export it out into PowerPoint slide that you guys can use it to make any PDF document, to present into PowerPoints, all this and that. You guys can edit every single thing. So if there's any error inside the PDF editor, you guys can edit it right away. So how am I supposed to do that? So today I'm going to show you guys the full way that you guys can do it using this PDNob itself, and to convert any of uneditable PDF from NotebookLM into an editable one using OCR, and then you guys can edit it using any PowerPoint, or convert into any other file type you want to. Okay, so this is one of my NotebookLM where I'm researching on human behavior, and there's a lot of sources as you guys can see. Alright, and it also generated a relational paradigm for me, alright, for a slide deck, as you guys can see right over here. So yeah, this is one of the research I'm working on right now, and I actually exported it into PDF document, and it's over here. Alright, and as you guys can see, alright, this is the diagram that is generated. Really nice, and it's very presentable. But the problem is, this is PDF and it cannot be edited right away. You guys can see, you can't edit it because of PDF format, and this is where the PDNob comes in. So if I go to PDNob itself, alright, and I just click on open PDF, alright, and I just open up the relational paradigm, alright, you guys can see, alright, it also asks you, because this is a scanned PDF, you have to make it into perform OCR to make it editable and searchable. So so I just need to click on this over here and scan to editable text. I just need to select all pages, current page, or custom, and then I'll just choose all pages and just click on perform OCR, and the process generally takes really fast. Alright, in probably less than a minute it should be converted into an editable PDF. As you guys can see right now, it is, everything is editable, alright, down to words. Alright, so maybe this word is wrong, alright, like you guys can just convert it to anything you want. Okay, so solely and everything, so you guys can edit every single thing, and you guys can also like move this one around, like the image, you guys can just move it around freely, right? Everything is editable, can resize it, everything. So yeah, this is how you convert, because you see, because like I said earlier on, right, for NotebookLM, where you export into PDF file, right, it is become a scanned copy of PDF file. So not even like, all those PDF editor out there can edit it directly, unless you have this PDNob that can convert, alright, from a scanned PDF document into an editable one using OCR. And this is how it goes. As you guys can see, alright, every single thing can be edited right over here. Every lines, everything can be edited. And if you want to remove the watermark over here, if you want to use it for presentation and you don't want people to know that you are using NotebookLM or any other thing, alright, you guys can click on this and just like remove it right away. You guys can see it's very simple, very straightforward. You guys can just remove every single watermark there is. You guys can search it up. There's a lot of AI, all right, and this is the way. And if you guys want to convert it into a PowerPoint slides, it's also very simple. All right, if you just go to the convert area and just convert it to PowerPoint, they have other ways. You guys can convert to Excel, to Word. All right, you guys can just select PowerPoint, just click on PowerPoint, and after that, when you can just save it to my desktop for now first. All right, and then after that, once I save it, okay, right now I can just convert it again to PowerPoint. You guys can select the amount of pages you want, where you want it to save it to, and just click on convert. And this is also very fast. It takes about 1 minute. All right, and you can see it's done. It's showed up right here. All right, and if I just open this thing up, all right, it is a PowerPoint document right over here. You guys can see. It is turned into a PowerPoint slide that you guys can also edit. All right, in the PowerPoint slide itself. So it's become editable, really, really useful. All right, you guys can see. So if like any diagram you want to change it out, you can just delete and insert your own image right on the spot if you want to. So yeah, you guys can convert into PowerPoint slides and everything really, really easily, so that you guys can use this, all right, to convert into an editable PowerPoint slides, all right, or even you guys can just edit it straight from this PDNob itself. So you guys can just convert everything, all right, edit it on the spot, all right, using this thing itself. So which is really, really awesome. You guys can edit. There's a lot of things that you guys can do. You can add watermark, you guys can add certain comments, add images, you guys can also switch pages as well if you would like to. If you want this to be the first page, all right, and you guys can see this is now the first page. You guys can switch the page around, all right, and you guys can protect it, add some encryption password to it. You guys can add on forms, all right, all this and that. You guys can do that using this, all right, from NotebookLM scanned PDF document into an editable PDF file that you guys can export it to PowerPoint, Excel, or anything you want, or even edit on the spot if there's like some issues, all right, that the generated PDF from NotebookLM, there's some word issue or like wording, or like probably like, hey, this sentence supposed to be in the next slide. You guys can just edit and shift around however you like it. So like probably you think, hey, this doesn't belong here, and then you want to like move it over, you guys can just move it over here, or you guys can move around and play around with it. So yeah, it's very, very useful tool that I especially use it all the time, especially when I'm doing my assignments, all this. All right, I just use this to do so, and it just works really, really well, really reliable without any issues at all. All right, so once you guys have seen how easy and how straightforward it is just to convert your NotebookLM PDF into something that you guys can edit straight out of the box, all right, and you guys can also convert it to any other PowerPoint slide or anything instantly. This is how easy it is. You can really simplify your workflow and help you save a lot of time, especially in assignments and especially in like work, all this. All right, it's really, really useful. So if you guys want to check out this Tenorshare PDNob, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this for yourself right now. All right, link them the first link in the video description down below and get this and start simplifying your workload, and use this tool to help you with a lot of other issues that you have. And if you like use a lot of NotebookLM, this is the perfect tool for you, and it has way more features compared to Adobe Acrobat or any other PDF editor out there. All right, this is my number one go-to PDF editor, all right, and converter, or however you want to say it. All right, and if you rely a lot of NotebookLM, this will be the best kind of like partner for your NotebookLM to really, really simplify your workflow. So once again, if you want to check out this Tenorshare PDNob, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this for yourself right now. So that's all for today, guys. Find this video really interesting and really helpful. Do let me know in the comment section as well, and do give you a thumbs up if this helped you in a lot of ways. And this is 𝖩 Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.